Hey guys, in this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to host your website on Google Drive totally for free without cost. Now, what are the benefits of hosting your website on Google Drive? The first benefit is that it is totally for free. No credit card is required whatsoever to host your website on Google Drive. Also, you have 15 gigabyte of free storage to host your website. So you have a lot of space to work with. The second advantage is that it is not complicated. The interface of Google Drive is familiar to you, so uploading your website onto Google Drive is going to be very easy on your side, even if you don't have technical skills. Now, let's talk about the downsides of hosting a website on Google Drive. Now, the first disadvantage, very big and huge disadvantage, is that you can only host a static website. Now, what do I mean by a static website? Now, websites that don't have database, they are the kind of websites you can host on Google Drive. A website that is made of pure HTML and CSS, these are the kind of websites you can only host on Google Drive. Not forgotten of JavaScript. Okay, now the second downside is that it is very slow. All right, so that is something to keep in mind. Now let's go ahead and see what are the reasons why must you host a website on Google Drive. Now, if you are testing your website, your static website, and you want to see how it performs online, then this is an option for you. You can host your website on Google Drive totally for free and see how it works, how it looks on different devices across different platforms. You can use Google Drive as a testing tool. Now, if you are building a portfolio, a personal portfolio website, and you want to showcase or to give it to your lecturer or someone to see your works, okay, you can host your website on Google Drive. If you're also hosting a website for fun, then you can also go ahead and use Google Drive to host your website. Okay, so in order to host your static website, you need your project folder. This is my project folder, and then when I double click on it, you can see my subfolders, my CSS, images, my JavaScript, and my index.html. You need this index.html. If not, it's not going to work. Okay, so this is going to serve as your home page. All right, now go back there and then make sure you rename your project folder as, so add .com to it. Now, the name you will be given to your website, make sure it is in line. It is the same as your domain name, the domain name you'll be using or you'll be registering if you plan to register a domain name somewhere else. Okay, so let's say my domain name is this. Okay, this is the domain name I will be registering in future. Make sure you rename your project folder just like this and save it. Okay, so this is the folder we're going to be uploading to Google Drive. So make sure, let me stress this, make sure the name here is the same as the domain name you will be registering or you will be buying, okay, so that it will be in line. All right, so once you have that changed, now let me show you the website, how it looks. Okay, so this is the website, this is how it looks, right? It is a static website. There's nothing complicated here. Okay, now you can see this is the JavaScript. You see that? Good. Hey guys, this part of the video is very important and very sensitive, so close all distractions and listen to me. Please go ahead and create a separate Gmail account for your website, because you're going to be using that Gmail account to log in or to create a new Drive account. Okay, so you're going to be creating a separate Drive account. Now let me explain to you why I'm saying this. We're going to be using a platform called DriveToWeb. This is the platform, and the problem with this platform to me is that we don't know what goes in there. You don't have any login interface where you can log in and see what is going in there, and immediately you give access to these people, they will go inside your drive and scan through your files. So if you have important files in your drive, you are putting yourself into what? A very serious problem. Okay, because right now I don't know what goes in there. So what I'm trying to say is that create a separate Google Drive account for this website. If not, you may have problems 2 years down the line. Okay, this platform is going to scan your drive, and you'll be able to see every file you have in there. Now let me take you to my inbox and then show you what I'm talking about. This is my inbox, and you can see DriveToWeb was granted access, and this means they have access to all your drive files. If you have important documents there, they can see them. That's what I'm trying to say in this video. Okay, so go ahead and create your new Drive account. After that, we're going to upload our project folder. So go there, go to your drive, which is empty, and I can't stress that enough. Make sure it is empty. These are my test folders. Okay, there's nothing in there, so make sure it is totally empty. Next, you need to upload your folder, your project folder. So go to wherever you have your project folder. So I'll simply click on it and then go there, and then I will drag my project folder, the one we renamed. I'll just drag it here, and then I'll drop it here. Just make sure you drop it here like this and leave it. So let's wait for it to upload. And as you can see, our project folder has been uploaded successfully. You can see this blue mark, and here is it. Okay, you can open it and see your file structure. It doesn't matter. After successfully uploading your project folder to your Google Drive, go ahead and open a new tab and type this address, trv.tw. Okay, so you type that, trv.tw, that's DriveToWeb. Okay, and after that, click on host on Google Drive. So I'll click on host on Google Drive. Go ahead and select your Gmail, the new Gmail I asked you to create. Okay, so this is the Gmail I'm using to host my website. Okay, to make this tutorial, go ahead and click on it, or you log into your new Gmail account where your Google Drive is. Okay, so this is it. So I'll click on it. Next, we need to allow access. Okay, because after we allow access, these people will be able to see our files, edit our files, create our files, and even delete our files. You see that? And that's why I asked you to create a separate Drive account. I hope you can see that for yourself. So click on allow. All right, they are saying that they were unable to discover any public HTML page in our Drive's account. To solve this problem, go back to your Drive and then make sure you right click on it your project folder and then rename it, and make sure the beginning you put www dot and then click on OK. After that, right click on it again and then click on get link. And this time click on restrict and then click on anyone with the link. Please go ahead and click on done. You can reload this page. After that, go back to your error page, go back there and then reload this whole page. Okay, so just reload. And you can see this is a link to your website. Okay, so let's open it in a new tab. Open it in a new tab and see how it looks. So I'll go back there and then you can see this is a link to our website. You can see that our website is now live on the internet. Is that not amazing? If you're excited, smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you how you can change this long name to your own custom domain name. From there I'll be showing you how to get even a free domain name and then connect it to your web hosting, which is also free. So in that video we're going to be covering how to get a free domain name and then how to connect it to our free hosting to have our website go live instead of having this long name. So keep an eye on the channel by subscribing to this channel. That way anytime this video is released, okay, I'm preparing to record that video. Anytime it is released, you are notified. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye bye.